Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the cooling fan on Opel Tigra 1.4 petrol. The cooling fan on this car is located behind the radiator. It's located right there. The cooling fan is held by two bolts here on top, size 10 socket. One of them is right there and the other one is on the other side, and then there is an electrical connector that you need to disconnect. We'll start by removing the two bolts holding the cooling fan. That's the two bolts holding the cooling fan removed. Now I'm gonna go underneath the car and disconnect the electrical connector for the cooling fan. That's the electrical connector, so you pull the tab up and then pull out the connector. Now that the cooling fan is loose, we are going to remove this hose and that hose as well. Once we remove those two hoses that are in the way of removing the cooling fan, now I'll be able to lift up the cooling fan and take it out. And that's the cooling fan out. Putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.